Alex. Alex, we can't not mention that amazing moon last night.
Yeah, it was huge, wasn't it? A supermoon and a double delight, because also a partial lunar eclipse, which was captured by many of you. And this photograph was sent in from Suffolk. I'll have more to share with you on Look East tonight. And it's a pretty reasonable week of September weather with warm sunshine out there and a dry forecast expected. We did see a fair bit of cloud first thing this morning, and it has taken its time to clear from some places, but essentially high pressure is bringing us a settled weather pattern over the next few days. A brisk northeasterly wind is holding temperatures back on the coast a little, but elsewhere inland and in the sunshine up to around 23 Celsius. So we've still got that cloud just lingering apart on parts of the Norfolk coast at the moment, but it should burn back, and so plenty of sunshine across all areas this afternoon. Now into the evening, the cloud will tend to move back in and become quite extensive across the region. We're also likely to see some mist and fog patches forming during the course of the night, so quite a murky end to the night. A good blanket of cloud out there, so that will mean those temperatures hovering at around 12 to 14 degrees for most of us. Still a brisk northeasterly wind, a feature of the weather through the day again tomorrow to do with the position of this area of high pressure, but it's extending to the north of the UK, so we'll be in for another fine day. But once we've cleared that mist, fog and low cloud, it might just take its time to clear, particularly for parts of Norfolk and Suffolk, but elsewhere it looks as though it will lift fairly swiftly. A very small chance of an isolated shower cropping up across southern counties, but most places should stay dry. And actually tomorrow is probably the warmest day of this stretch of weather, so 24 or perhaps 25 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. Now looking ahead, some subtle changes on the way. So Friday's weather pattern looks as though we'll hold on to some dry weather, but we are likely to see some showers moving up from the south. They could be with us by Saturday, or even Sunday's looking more likely. So some heavy and thundery downpours and cooler into next week. Harriet.
Thanks, Alex.
They've shared their photos with us.
I know we got lucky as well, Janine, because it was quite cloudy last night, but there were so many photographs sent in by Look East viewers, by weather watchers, showing that spectacular supermoon. We also had the delight of the partial lunar eclipse as well. So here's a couple of photographs to share with you. This one looking absolutely amazing, the supermoon in all its glory, and then the Earth's shadow cast upon the supermoon taken from Suffolk. So absolutely spectacular photographs. Thank you for sending those in. The moon will still be visible tonight, not quite so big, but also it is likely to be quite a bit cloudier tonight as well, so not quite such good viewing prospects for tonight. Now, we've had some pretty decent weather over the last couple of days, and it is going to continue for the rest of the week with warm sunshine on the way, particularly tomorrow. It could be warmer tomorrow compared with the temperatures we've recorded today of around 23 Celsius. Tomorrow more like 25 or perhaps even 26 Celsius somewhere. Isolated showers. Now, the risk of those is starting to creep up on us. So perhaps by Friday, Saturday and certainly into Sunday, we could see some showers cropping up. High pressure extending across us. That's brought us the settled weather conditions. A keen northerly easterly wind has been a feature of the weather today, and it will continue to be so for tomorrow. And what we've started to see this evening is already a lot of low cloud moving in across the region. And we'll see mist, fog and low cloud developing during the course of the night. So with that blanket across us, temperatures stay pretty mild overnight tonight. So looking at temperatures of anywhere between 12 and 14 degrees for most of us. Now tomorrow, we've still got high pressure, keeping things settled. We still have this northeasterly wind, so it will be cooler on the coast. And you might notice it's quite chilly first thing with a lot of cloud, mist and fog to clear first thing. But don't worry, if you're wondering where the sunshine is, it will come out. And actually, we're really going to feel the warmth into tomorrow afternoon, particularly across southern counties. So this is a prediction of where the temperatures could be, but 25 or 26 Celsius is not out of the question. Also, we could see one or two showers cropping up for the afternoon, particularly across western counties, and where they do, they could be heavy and thundery, but they are looking pretty isolated for tomorrow. But as we get towards the weekend, an increasing chance of them tied into this area of low pressure that is moving up from the south. So just watch out for the possibility of showers. Yes, there'll be a lot of dry, warm and sunny weather for both Saturday and Sunday, but we're also likely to see an increasing chance of showers, and those look like there could be some pretty heavy thundery downpours on the way for Sunday. We're under the influence of the Atlantic after that. It's looking unsettled into next week and quite a bit cooler. Janine.
Alex, thank you very much indeed.
Hello, more warm and sunny weather on the way for tomorrow, but overnight tonight we'll see mist, fog and cloud becoming quite extensive across the region, and it could linger first thing tomorrow morning. A mild night with that extensive cloud cover, so 11 to 15 degrees at the lowest. So high pressure tomorrow, keeping things settled. Still this keen northeasterly wind that'll hold temperatures back a little on the coast, and it could be a little cool to start with that blanket of cloud across us, but it should lift and clear and we'll see plenty of sunshine into the afternoon. So some places across the south could record highs of 24 or 25 degrees. The small risk of a heavy, possibly thundery shower developing across western counties for the afternoon. Looking largely settled for the rest of the week, and increasing risk of showers into the weekend.